One of the main benefits in going solar with TriSMART, we offer a comprehensive warranty package in a way that most companies in the industry don't. All 5 major warranties that some companies cover at different lengths of time, we cover for 25 years. First, the solar panels and the inverters that we use come with the manufacturer's 25-year warranty. We also provide a workmanship warranty, meaning the quality of the installation. We cover that for 25 years. The roof that we install on, we will cover the portions of the roof where we penetrate through the shingles into the rafters for leaks or damages. We will cover that for 25 years. And lastly, we cover what we call our production guarantee for 25 years. If your panels don't produce what we said they would over a certain period of time, we actually have a reimbursement in place where we will compensate you back for the underproduction or the non-performing panels. It's safe to say with that production guarantee, we are invested in the production of your system as much or more than you are. So you have a partner in a solar company making sure that you get what you signed on for, not a solar company that just put some numbers on a paper and then said good luck.